When I first started college in the fall of 2014, I never thought that it would lead me to meeting someone like Heather. Even when I first met her, I had no idea how close we would become. Fast forward almost 4 years later, and that she is someone that I would consider a best friend. Heather and I talked here and there, but I wouldn't have considered us friends until September of 2015 when we both began interning at the White House together. I quickly learned how much I enjoyed having Heather in my life. She is a strong-willed, devoted, passionate mom. She devotes almost all of her time and energy into being a full-time mom of 4 children, and she has taught me what a truly amazing mother and amazing person is. Heather is 33 years old, and she has been a mom for the past 11 years. Her oldest daughter, Sade, who is right here in this picture, Sade is 11, Bradley is 8, Isabel is 6, and Abigail is 7 months old. Anyone who knows how much time and attention one child requires knows that it can be difficult, and Heather does that times 4. That's something that I find very. In addition to being a full-time mom, Heather also found the time to go back to school. She was 21 when she got pregnant with Sade. That happened on her summer break when she was in college after first going there. Soon after finding out she was pregnant, she put her education on hold. Since graduating from SUNY Adirondack in the spring of 2016, Heather has also started a real estate program so that she can be a real estate agent. Along with having 4 kids, it's difficult to find the time for her to do these things. But regardless if people have told her whether she can't or not, she has kept up and she's kept with it. Heather is a fun-loving, adventurous person who's always down for a new adventure. I remember, I think it was 2 years ago, we took a trip to the Fort Drum Army Base, and we found these tanks that you're seeing right here, and it was her idea that we should go and climb them. I was too afraid to do it, but as you can see by the picture, she was not. I always remember hearing people talk about their friends, saying that they felt like they had known them forever, and until I became friends with Heather, that was a feeling that I didn't know. I actually had a Facebook memory pop up a few days ago that was from the first time Heather and I hung out outside of work, and it said that it was only from 2 years ago, which I had thought that it was forever ago and that I've known her my entire life. I chose to do my testimonial about Heather because I believe it's incredibly important to remember that you most likely meet the people that you need most in your life when you least expect it. Heather and her fiance also just started the process of buying their first home together as of today. So I thought this would be a great time to give her some recognition before she embarks on this new journey in her life. Now I thought I would share some memories that I have of us. This is another photo from when we were in Fort Drum. This is one from this past summer. The guy all the way on the left is Heather's fiance. And this is also from last summer. We went to the Florida Georgia Line concert at SPAC. Heather and I have both grown a lot in the past 2 years. Her fiance was discharged from the military after serving for 15 years. They're buying a house. They have a child. I'm about to graduate college and then probably, hopefully, get a job anyway. And although we've grown a lot separately, we've also grown closer together. And there is nobody I would rather have as my best friend than her. Thank you.